everyone, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. This is Soma and a warm welcome to all of you. Today I'm going to pick up a topic that's very interesting to me because I find it very useful. I love to create different makeup looks with singles. So that's what we are going to talk about today, okay? And you are going to share your favorite singles with me on the comments below because I would love to hear about them, okay? So that's the deal. The first one that I want to talk about is a very beautiful option from pharmacy store. That is my Revlon Color Stay single. Revlon cream eyeshadow, and that's the shade I chose because I just love that beautiful lilac, and this is a beautiful product. I just find it very smooth, creamy, buttery, and that's why I love to use it on my lid. It does not get clumpy or it doesn't feel chunky on my lid. It is very reflective. So whenever I just want to put on something on my lid, I want it to be very subtle. I do not want it to be very shout out loud kind of shade. I go for this one because it just gives me the perfect amount of punch on my lid, and I feel very beautiful, absolutely gorgeous when I wear this because it gives me that perfect subtlety and shine. I love them both. So subtle shine, smoothness, and beautiful shade range at great price point. You cannot beat it. It's just that gorgeous. If you already tried it, you know what I'm talking about, and there are so many colors to choose from. I just find the light shades to be very flattering because it works as a base. And today I'm wearing all of the shades that I'm going to show you. And for that, you have to just keep watching this video. So this I used as a base today. My first pick when it comes to single one and done kind of shadow. And use it as my highlight because of the shade. It just looks gorgeous on the cheeks, and I'm wearing that today, and that is giving me that beautiful highlighted and subtle glow on the cheek. So it is a beautiful shade which you can wear on your lid, on your cheeks, and feel totally comfortable with. If you're looking for something subtle, something that just will go on quickly, most of the time when I am in a hurry in the morning and I want to play with something on my lid, I just go for this one. It doesn't take much time to blend into my skin, and the color just meshes into my skin. It does not give me any patchy effect. So buttery smooth shadow from Revlon Color Stay. It's a must check out. Now when we are talking about the lilacs, I think I have to pick this product now. This is from the Balm Cosmetics. I just love to play with the Balm Cosmetics products, be it their eyeshadows or cheek products or this one, the liquid eyeshadow. You are in a hurry, you want to put on something quickly on the lid, just go for this one. This has a little bit more coverage than this one. And as you can see, it is going to give you a very sheen kind of effect, and it will go evenly on your lid. So you will just feel that it's a veil kind of effect with the Revlon Color Stay. And this one is just going to give you a beautiful melted lilac feel on your lid. It feels so soothing on the skin. It just goes on beautifully, and sometimes I just love to use it on my inner corner. But today I'm wearing something different on my inner corner, and you will get to know soon. But this one also can work beautifully on my inner corner, and also I just love to use it as liner. Some days I just put on my primer and then I use it as my liner, and because it is for my personal use, I can totally use the wand, and it just goes on beautifully and gives a very nice cool look. So check these two from the Balm Cosmetics. There are a couple of shades and all the shades are beautiful. I think the lighter shades are very beautiful during this summer season. I remember there was a pink shade with golden glitter. I don't remember the name of it, but it was a gorgeous shade. But then I have something similar in my collection, so I just skipped that. And this I'm very pleased with. A very cooling sensation, and I love the sensation on my lid, that cooling sensation, and at the same time the color and the formula is really great. Number 3 on my list, Buxom Single Shadows. Guys, I think you need to check this out because the price point is great. The shadow quality is super buttery and it is just gorgeous. I love to use this shade on me because it is that perfect blend of copper and bronze, and it goes on smoothly on my skin and it gives me that beautiful punch that I really love. I mean, some days if I do not want to wear any color, which is hardly, I can't think of any day like that, but some days when I just want to go for something bold, like yesterday's video I showed that Charlotte Tilbury lipstick, which is a very beautiful bold shade. Check out that video and you will find out. So on those days when I just want to go for something really bold, like bright reds, poppy reds and fuchsias, I just want to put on this and apply 2-3 coats of mascara and it will look beautiful, gorgeous. I think I should do that really soon, and then you will know what I'm talking about. Look at that. This also gives me a very nice highlight. On those days when I want to go for something cooler, I stick to my Revlon, and something warm, I go to this shade. Because of the butteriness of the shadow, it feels like a beautiful soft highlighter and it does not get chunky on the skin. So I just love to use it as my lid shade, as my waterline shade, and also my highlighter shade. Love the products from Buxom. The lip glosses are fantastic, the shadows are fantastic, and of course I need to check the blushes from Buxom. I really look forward to it because it's very nice. I think the Balm Cosmetics packaging is also very cute, and I think Buxom's packaging is also very cute. So the packaging, the quality and the product, everything is top notch at great price point. So I just love to use this shadow. I really want to check more things from Buxom. Now the lead star on my lid from Makeup Forever. If you guys are waiting for something gorgeous, go for this one because you will find all the shades beautifully done, and I love the shimmers, the metallics the most, but the formula of the matte shadows are equally good, super buttery, goes on smoothly, easy to blend with, and I just love to use all the Makeup Forever products, especially the metallic. I mean, metallics are right up my alley and I just love to use it. You know that. This is the shade that I'm wearing on my lid today. It looks pink, but it is a beautiful color mixed with golden peachy pink, and it just reminds me of something very popular. Remember the blush? You all know about that blush, don't you? Yeah. So that's the shade which comes to my mind when I use this on my lid, and I use it with Aquaseal, I use it with my finger, or some days I just want to go for a very subtle effect, just a wash of peachy pink shimmer, go for this one. I just love this color and I'm loving the look that I created today because all the products just came together and it's a party on my lid. Last but not least, this is my recent find, and recently I talked about this. This is from L'Oreal. I just love this whole vibe of the single shadow. Look how cute and how beautifully packaged it is. It looks very luxurious and feels also very luxurious. You will touch the shadow and you will feel something. It is a beautiful pressed shadow, very reflective because of the texture, because of the formula, and because of the color. Great color range, great price point. The texture is beautiful, goes on easily with the brush, with the fingertips, and I just love to use it. I mean, this is also would be a similar kind of shade as I talked about Buxom. These two, you just put on something. So many ideas are coming to my mind. You just put on this one or this one on your lid and go with your favorite bold lip color. Just a little bit of mascara and that would be your look, and it will be something stunning. I just love to use these kind of single shades a lot because I get to choose my own shade, and that is my first thing that comes to my mind, that today I want to create a look and I want those specific shades. So that's how I arranged these single shadows in my makeup collection, and I think I'll keep on adding them because they are really super luxurious feeling. It just gives me that freedom of choice that yeah, this is the shade that I want to wear today and I want to go for this one. The product amount is so much that it just lasts forever. So those are the 5 shadows I wanted to give a shout out to because I am so much into them, enjoying them so much and creating different looks out of them, and they are really power pack punch shadows. So next time you want to check out something, let me know what you got. And yeah, you can totally shop through the links down below. All the descriptions are down below, and I would love to know about your thoughts on these shadows. Leave a comment down below. Yeah. So on that note, this is Soma saying bye to you. Subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button. It will remind you, and you will not miss a single video that I post because I really want you to be here to interact with me. See you. Have a great day.